Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curve. So today I'm going to share with you some easy hairstyles, and before that please click the ting tong button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also subscribe to this channel, please follow me on Instagram, and let's get started.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
So before I start this video, I want to just let you know the shampoo which I use these days. So this is from the Natural Wash. Okay, the link will be down, so do check it out. So this herbal shampoo, recently I started using it and it's really very nice. The shampoo is organic, like it's herbal, it's chemical free, as well as it doesn't hurt your eyes. So that's a very good thing. Once you shampoo it and you use the streak serum, it is perfect. You don't have to even use conditioner after that. It makes your hair really soft. And I have also used the mask, like they have hair mask also, which I have used. Like I use it twice a week because it's too cold in Delhi, so I use it twice a week, and I sit in the sun when I apply it. Usually to apply it I use someone, like I ask someone to help me out. Now this mask has, first I'll talk about the mask. Now this mask has many ingredients like curry leaves, it has henna, kalonji, then it has avla, which is really very good, neem, hibiscus, rose, then fenugreek seeds, which are really good. Now PCOS like me, we have many hair problems, okay, so this is really very good. Now to apply it, first you should have an iron, that iron pan. I didn't had it, unfortunately. I'm going to buy it soon, but you have to use it. You have to mix this powder with little bit of water and make a thick solution, and just keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Then add curd. Now I use their oil also, like I just add 2 to 3 drop. I warm it up because it's cold pressed coconut oil, so I warm it up. Since it's winter here, it becomes hard, so I warm it up, and I used 2 spoons just because my hair are little dry. Okay, so then I mix curd with it and I apply this paste. Keep it for just 1 hour. During winter times, if you are staying in Mumbai or somewhere where it is summer, you can keep it for 2 hours and then wash your hair with this shampoo. Now when you wash your hair, the one thing which I found difficulty is that black, it's like a muddy texture. So whenever you wash your hair, the whole bathroom becomes dirty. Now that's natural. Even it has small granules which are little difficult to remove, but if you rinse it very nicely, it just goes off. It doesn't have any fragrance, so that is the best part. And when you combine these two things together, you get a very good moisturized hair. Your hair becomes really very nice and bouncy. I felt that my hair started becoming little, it has that volume now. Though my hair are very thin, they are thin, but now I could see the bounce in it, so that's very good thing. Now coming up to the shampoo, it has tea tree oil, aloe vera extract, glycerine, then guar gum, then olive oil, jojoba oil, avla extract, neem, shikakai, and brahmi extract. It has so many ingredients. Now this is natural, it doesn't hurt your eyes. Really, this is one thing which is very good. It's dark black in color, and my half bottle is almost like finished. Okay, my half bottle is finished because I started recently using it and I started loving the product. I have noticed one thing, that hair fall after this is very less. Now this shampoo remains, like the effect remains for 1 to 2 days, just because during winter time I don't wash my hair regularly, so it's a good thing. Like 2 days you will not feel that oiliness or that itchiness onto your hair, so that is really good. And the oil, like the cold press or coconut oil, I use it only onto my split ends. Okay, sometimes I just massage my head with it. So these 3 products for me, it worked. It is really very nice. The link is down in the description box, so do check it out. Now I'll show you some easy trending hairstyle. So the first one is these pins. They are so much available in H&M and everywhere, even in flea markets. Just take your hair and ज़्यादा करके बाल आप एक साइड कर लो, do side partition randomly, and with this just take it back and pin it up. So it's so easy and so nice, So this is my first hairstyle. You just have to take your fingers like comb and just take it back and pin it up. It looks so nice, these days. I really love this hairstyle. Now comes the second one. Now the second one, so this is my mirror here, okay? I'll just take my hair. Now I'll take some strand of it. Just roll it this way. This is my very much go-to, like on Indian weddings I do this. And just take tic-tac pins, okay, these tic-tac pins, and I apply. Okay, so I'll do the same process 2 to 3 times. Now my hair are really very soft, and using these shampoos it has become more soft. So this is one, what do you say, sometimes a trouble, because it's very difficult to secure a pin. So I do these kind of rolls. I twist my hair and just spin it. So now I'll just make it little loose. Same thing I'll do from this side also. Little bit sections from the front. Twist it and take a tic-tac pin and just secure it, okay? So this way I'll make it little loose. So you see, it looks so nice. Like this way. It is just 2 minutes hairstyle. These are all 2 minutes one, okay? So very easy. So now comes the third one. I'll just take a rough partition. Okay, you can do a good partition also. Just make a braid, normal braid. Now for this hairstyle, my hair a little shorter. But if you have long hair, it will look really nice, like medium sized one. I'm really very bad in making braids also, because Aditya helps me usually. But I'm going to give it a try. So you have to now tie your rubber band down, okay, till the end part. So this is one braid. Again, repeat the same step. So this hairstyle usually you can do when your hair are oily, because then it will look very neat. Okay, and not shabby. Now you have these 2 braids. Now you take the first braid, and now my hair are really little shorter, so it's very difficult. So now just spin it up here, okay, and the second one you will take and pin it on the other side. You can secure it with 2-3 pins. Now when this is done, take any good hairpin and just secure it here. It looks so nice. My braids are not very neat, just because my hair are like cut. I have chopped it very small. So, but it looks really very nice. Like you can secure one pin here. Now this gives very vintage look, and it looks really very nice these days, because vintage is still in trend. So this is my third hairstyle. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please from the description box do purchase. I really love this shampoo from the Natural Wash, as well as their hair mask. It's really very good. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.